Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel and today we are going to learn how to log into our Blizzard account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Blizzard account, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for Blizzard. After searching for Blizzard, you'll come up to this page, and in this page you can tap on this first option which says Blizzard Entertainments. After tapping on Blizzard Entertainment, you will come up to the Blizzard website where you can tap on this option which says account, which is on the top right. After tapping on that account, now tap on login. After tapping on login, if you have an account, you can log into your Blizzard account, but if you don't, you can create a Blizzard account by tapping on create a free Battle.net account. After tapping on create a free Battle.net account, now you have to enter your country and then enter your date of birth. After entering your country and date of birth, you can enter your first name and last name. After entering your first name and last name, just tap on continue. After tapping on continue, now you have to enter an email address for your account. After entering your email address, you have to enter your phone number, but it's an optional. So you can enter that, or you don't want to enter that, you don't have to enter that option. So after entering your email address, just tap on continue. After tapping on continue, you have to check all these options and tap on agree. After tapping on agree, now you have to create a password for your account. After creating a password, now you have to select a name for your account. And after selecting the name, just tap on continue. And after tapping on continue, now you have to verify by solving a puzzle. So just simply solve a puzzle. After completing that verification, here you can see you have successfully created an account. So just tap on continue. After tapping on continue, here you have created an account successfully. Now you can use your Blizzard account. So that's it guys, this is how to create a Blizzard account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.